You have serious issues.
I do, because I can go.
Oh, you're a beatboxer.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Are you making a video? Are you? Come on. Am I going to be in your next video? Come on. Tell me. I want to know. Please. Come on, buddy. Kisses. Kisses for you.
No.
Come on. Don't be
Okay,
shy.
can you can you do this? Or no? Can you chill for a second? Let me do what I'm gonna
Say what?
do. Where are you
Yeah, I'm
from?
ready. Where do you think I'm from?
I don't know. You're either like Indian or Arab.
What? I'm black, bro. West side. West side. Yes.
Governor John Bel Edwards is releasing the state's unemployment report, and the results show Louisiana has made huge progress.
One of the biggest economic development announcements in state history.
Governor Edwards adds the past year shows the highest GDP and personal income in our state's history.
What the hell? That was very sick. It was nasty. It was moist. You're a very cute boy. You know that?
Okay, too much, too much.
Come on. No, please don't be shy. We can play a game. We can have fun. You can stay and you can do the beatbox, box beat, and I can show you my beatbox if you know what I mean.
How the fuck?
Cop.
Do that again. There's no way that's real.
Yeah,
Bro, do you pick up girls like that?
I eat a lot of pussy.
The man eats a lot of pussy.
I have no idea. He's a DJ.
Bro, this
What
dude
the
picking up
fuck?
girls doing this shit. Look.
Inhale.
Yeah.
And then sometimes you just